Project and process management, the application of knowledge, skills, tools, and techniques to a broad range of activities in order to meet the requirements of a particular project. This is what every enterprise must seek among its life in order to achieve success and effectiveness. El Pacifico, a seafood restaurant at Juarez City, was chosen to improve a specific process and make it more efficient. Restaurant with 24 employees and a very high demand and preference of its clients. Team 31 is composed by process to improve the general inventory operation. We use WBS for the first phase, which is a chart where the critical work elements called tasks of the project are illustrated to portray their relationship to each other and the project as a whole, helping us to predict outcomes based on various scenarios, which can ensure the optimal decisions are made about whether or not to adopt suggested procedures or changes. The responsibility matrix was another tool, a structural map that illustrates where responsibilities are assignated. Once the planning and scheduling of the project and resources were made, the next step was the execution of the project in order to obtain the expected results by using the platform Project Libre, which help us having a good control of the activities done and the intermediate goals achieved by establishing the due dates, the duration of each task, allocation resources, and so the percentage of advantage of each activity. Once this was fulfilled and communicated to all the team members, we set a Facebook group to keep on monitoring our assigned task according to the Gantt chart of Project Libre, solving problems that might emerge of the most important thing, maintain the communication among the teammates. The ASIS map graphically expresses all the activities as they are done without making any suggestions yet, after analyzing if we can proceed to look for deficiencies or now suggest improvements. We found out that the most important thing is to reduce steps, standardize the paperwork, define the structured process, reduce time and cost, improve the inventory control, give certainty to inventory information, and prevent unexpected loss of items. So we will eliminate those who aren't adding value to our clients, such as the evaluated application, check the order that is correct, report on material inputs and outputs, send requisition and order purchase. The result of this analysis is what we know as to be map, where decreased the step from 13 minutes to 10, the lead time from 4 hours to 3, the cost was reduced in 15%, and the cost of the rework in the 40%, and maintaining the same number of interfaces because the nature of the process. We'd have learned the big importance of the process and the standardization of them, the control, the administration, and how could it affect the normal activity of the company. We also think we did a great job by having a whole structure, working as teams, and always having a great communication between the members of the team and the company. As a team, we think we could done better some things, just as having a more constant communication, constant going into the company to know more about the daily activities and process and help them to improve another second processes to the inventory control and administration.